Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm gonna give you an overview of this Carver skateboard and really all the details about it. So if you're checking this thing out, you'll get all your questions answered. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, this company reached out to me and said, hey Ryan, can you give me one of your detailed reviews of our Carver skateboard? Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever will impact my review. I just like to keep it real. First thing is first, this thing is very different. Very different. If you've already noticed, there's a difference, and it's right here. This is the front of it, the very front. I'm going to change camera angles here in a sec. But notice there's a spring here. This is not your traditional truck setup. These are trucks. This is the rear end. Notice this is your standard truck setup. This is different. There is a spring in here that allows this, as you can see, to move like this. Very, very different. So I'm gonna explain all that here in a little bit. It does have your grip tape on top. This particular one has says Daddy Wheels on top. 30 inches long, 9.8 inches wide. You know, so if you're kind of trying to gauge, the size of the skateboard, it does have a lip on the rear end. You know, so if you're popping wheelies or doing whatever stunts that you are doing, you can do that. Ollies, all that fun stuff. On the backside, this particular one, I haven't taken off all the stickers, but this has a checkered pattern. There's a bunch of different patterns. The wheels light up. I did not know this when I was riding on it, and my son was like, hey, check this out, because it was daytime. And so you'll see here from the video, these things light up when you get going. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. You can see them, obviously, it's pretty bright right now. On the film, but it's all four of these light up in a multicolor option. The wheels are, I'll give them this. These are soft enough that they will roll over just about anything. They're your standard size. These are listed as 82A, 65 millimeters. So kind of give you an idea size-wise what ones you're looking at here. Now, this kit also comes with not just a skateboard, but it does come with some cones. So you have 1, 2, 6 different cones for setting things up. Kind of give yourself sort of a course. It does have a bag that looks like this, but it's not empty because it has knee pads that you can see here. Some Velcro knee pads. One for obviously each elbow and knee. So those are knees, these are elbows. And then it also has wrist guards. The wrist guards wear like this. So you get all that pretty cool stuff. You also have a rubber eraser. I'm assuming this is for cleaning off the bottom graphic. You also have a truck wrench, so if you need to tighten the trucks on the bottom, or you have a built-in screw driva, so if you need to adjust or remove the whole truck assembly, you have all this nice and neat. One thing I'll say about this particular one, which I've never seen anything like this before, is from a skateboard standpoint. Because you have this spring right here, it allows you to kind of really like carve in your turns. So your turns can be a lot tighter. Even if you have your trucks loose, this extra allows you to kind of, swerve in and out from an obstacle standpoint, as you're seeing from the video here. And you don't necessarily have to rely 100% on your weight to move the trucks. So in this situation, you can get a much, much tighter curve, as you can see in the video, because this is spring loaded. And this can also be adjusted and tightened up along with this. So hopefully that answers any questions you might have about this Carver skateboard, and we'll talk to you soon.